when the schools were physical, we did a lot of so-called social work. What was the social work we were doing? We were, having street plays. We were creating awareness. But actually, practically, how many of us were really involved in doing anything? So all of you raised flags, had slogans, then you went back home and forgot about it. We did not actually do anything, which is the state of the country. So everybody is coming on this discussion forums. I'm not saying they're bad. Discussion forums are very good unless you have an idea in your mind, unless you have something, some goal in your mind, what are you going to do? So first step is having a goal, knowing what to do. But beyond discussion, the youth, has to participate in society building. So that is why Blub World has come up with this whole concept of teen parliament. Now, we probably think that teenagers are children. But no more. Actually, you are very aware, you're very knowledgeable, and we should give you the space to grow. All the time, if we keep thinking, inko kya pata hai, these are, young children and they can't do anything, you will not be able to do anything. Now, there are now in the world children and teenagers, young teenagers coming up, being concerned and making a place for themselves in their countries and across the world. How old was Malala? How old is Greta? So these are the children, who now become role models. And now people have started thinking, well, they can do a lot. In the freedom movement also, it was the children who really took part enthusiastically and they felt for the country. Now, gradually over the period, what has happened is we've become very complacent. Sab theek thaak chal raha hai. If there is no crisis situation, we don't rise. So everybody works on this thing, life is comfortable, you're going on. For most of the children your age, even studies is not motivation enough. If you don't have exams, you will not even study. So, which is very a sad state of affairs because you have to grow, you have to make this world. Now, Blub World has come up with this concept of teen parliament. The whole concept is not for you just to come and discuss. It is for you to find a goal in life. And after that, decide what you can do to make a difference to society, difference to the world you are born into. And probably, even out of the 1,000 or 10,000 participants or 1 lakh participants they're aiming at, out of the 1 lakh participants, even if we get 100 young people to actually do something, take on a project and, devote their life to projects like this, it will be a great thing. So the idea, the goal is there. When they want to pick up young people who have the go in them, who have the focus in them to do something more than what you're doing. Like I told you, human beings are one of the living beings. There's so many living beings in the world. They come, they die, nobody knows. So, unless you're making a difference to the world, your life is no more than the ant you see or a cockroach you see in the world. To make a difference, that's why we human beings are blessed with brains, blessed with thinking powers, so that we can make a difference to how much human beings have changed the world. Have any ants, cockroaches, donkeys, horses, have they built anything in this world? No. They can only carry their load, do what they are told to do, and eat and sleep and die. Human race is as good as God. Because God has created so much, so have human beings. Look at the marvels He's created. Look at the size of a human being and look at the buildings, the infrastructure, the rockets, all that human being has created with his brain. So much technology. So that is why we are blessed species. And I really believe that you get this human birth after, in the Hindu mythology, they say, after I think some 101 or more births, you come into the human birth. Now, if you have got it after so much, should you just leave the world doing nothing? So, make that little difference. Now, this is a start for you. It's very difficult to start. So, this is a starting point where you start thinking. Start thinking, what can I do? Where can I make a difference? How will you start thinking? When you start exploring, experimenting. So go on to your Google platform or any search platform. See where young children can make a difference. What are the areas in which you can make a difference? There is something called Better India. It's a very good organization. Go on to their site and see how young people are doing, things which we have not thought about. Like I was reading, there's this young girl. She thought that I should make wigs for cancer patients. It's a small thing, but the amount of happiness she has given to those cancer patients who were emotionally very down because they looked bad. Can you imagine how much of happiness she's given them? Now there's a young boy who's taken up a cleanliness drive in Bombay. It's a very small project if you consider the world. But how much difference he's made to sea life, to the environment, and motivated a lot of street children to come with him. So they've got a goal in life. So gradually when you start something, people start joining in with you. So that is why what Blub World is saying is, first of all, make a 1-minute video, 59 seconds to be precise, on your idea of what you can do as a person to make life better on the earth. So which means first you have to think, identify something, an area in which your interest is. Unless you're interested, unless you love what you do, there's no effective doing. So once you get that idea and you come up to making a video, what happens is what is latent inside us now will come out. When you're making the video, you will come across many ideas, you will read a lot, you will explore a lot, and make that 1-minute video. After that, what you're going to do is you're going to get a chance to participate in the teen parliament. Now you will come across children from all over the world and you will interact with them. We people think that, we are the best. In Nagar, Icon best, we are the best. But the world is not Nagar. You have to meet children from outside, what they are doing. That they will provide you the motivation, they will provide you the collaboration. Once you hear them, once you interact with them, you'll get more and more ideas. So this teen parliament will be held, and then of course it's a sifting process. The better children will be taken up, those they think who are more serious, then you can probably start some project. Now once you get so involved and you make a startup, after all you're studying all this to earn a living. Now, startups, you know about startups. You, I think, seen a lot of videos and sessions on entrepreneurship. I was just seeing you attended some sessions. So, you know what startups are. Young people are getting into these startups to start something different. They have a passion. They have the go in them. Now, when you do a startup, you involve other people. So, which means it's not only you. You are giving employment to other people. You're giving a goal to other people. It may be, some people who've lost hope in life. So, Blub World, and gradually, it's all about networking also. Blub World, it'll give you a platform. After that, you will come across people who will come and speak to you. They will pick you up. If they feel that you have it in you, they'll pick you up. They'll probably sponsor your startup. They'll probably motivate you. So, gradually you will come into the fore. And gradually you can start your own thing. Even if you don't dream too big, at least you have developed empathy and compassion. I'll give you a personal example. I was studying in a hostel. So, actually we were very cocooned from the world. Our little world was our little hostel. We didn't even know anything beyond that, frankly. I had not met anybody poor in my life, really. So I did not know what it meant to, be on the streets or anything, because all the time we were, in that bubble of the hostel. Then when we came to college, again, it was a good college, so people there were not really poor. But in one of our projects, we had to adopt a village, not a village, a slum. Delhi has no villages, so Delhi had a slum colony. So first time we were taken there to introduce us to a slum. I mean, that was my first exposure to a slum area. I did not, we pass slums, it's not that, but you do not get aware of these things unless you're made to get aware. We just pass by, we take it for granted, jhuggi, jhompdi hai, we don't even look at them. Now, when we were taken to the slum, we realized they were actually real people. They had feelings, they had relationships. So we had to interact with them. We had to go into their houses, and it was just a 1-month project where we had to make their life better. So that was, since it was a project, we had to do it. So we were visiting them every time. Now, once we started visiting them, we got emotionally connected with them. That is when you develop empathy. Actually, these people require a little support from us. And that is what, gives you that vision that, okay, I can make a difference, do something. Not that I have done anything very great in my life, but at least from that, I developed compassion for people like this. And wherever my life led me, I did my little bit. I cannot give you a personal example of making a startup or doing anything very great. But in my own way, probably I took up education to, educate young children. So this is how, life develops. So this is a starting point for you. You people are at the right age to be exposed to this. What I did in college, I was, is what you do in school, because, you people are growing up much faster. Secondly, you're much older in these classes than we were. So today, girls pass out of school at 18, we passed out of college at 18. So age group wise, we were generally the same. So that is why I wanted to meet you personally to tell you, experiment. Even if you don't do anything, participate, experiment. If you like it, go ahead. If you don't like it, choose some other way. I'm not telling you, everybody has to be a social worker. Now, how will you improve the world? What are your ideas? We'll just come to you. But before that, young people can take up projects like literacy campaign, because you are the lucky ones who got the wherewithal to study. There are many children who cannot study. They don't have either the money or the time. So probably you could start with literacy campaigns. You could start with cleanliness drives, not just taking placards, but getting the children to clean up. Now, in India, what we decide is charity is either giving money or taking placards or giving them money. That is not charity. Giving somebody money is not charity. Teaching them how to make their lives better is charity. So even if you have to take up a cleanliness drive, you don't have to clean, but get people around your house to motivate them to keep their areas clean. That is how the country becomes, clean. Then a lot of awareness campaigns, whether it is about education, whether it is developing respect for women, whether it is honesty, whether it is being a good citizen, whatever. But you can develop, because you are aware. You have studied so much, you've studied in a good school, you have so much to give society. So you can develop awareness campaigns. Then you people love social media. Now this is one area that you really love. Now how to put social media to good use instead of just, using social media for mundane things like selfies and, TikTok videos. You could probably use social media to influence other people. Then, we started in India. I was just going through a lot of projects that have happened with youth. It was so sad. There is hardly anything happening in India. Youth projects, there's a government gov.in site. I went to that. The posts were 2000, I think 11, 12 was one post, 14 was one post, and after 14, 4, 5 posts. That is all. There were 2 blogs, there were 3, 4 writings, and there were 6-7 projects. This is the level at which youth is working in India. So you could probably, that's why the government also now is thinking of involving youth in the government, in politics, so that they get interested. The country is going to belong to you. Tomorrow we people are going to go away. We made a mess of the country. We are going to hand it over to you and we are going away. Now you are the ones who are going to live here. Do you want a good country to live in, or do you want to continue staying in this mess? You know the society is corrupt. You know that there is so much wrong going in society. Do you want to correct it, or do you want to be a part of the system? So how do you become a part of the system? By becoming proactive, by doing something about it. Then you can, give your ideas and opinions in this forum and gradually move on to the youth wings of the government. Your voice will be heard. You will be interacting with great personalities who will listen to you. Now, a few things that you can take up is disaster management. Now, COVID is a disaster. I just saw yesterday Sarah's video. She's too spoken about COVID. Now, this is one of the things, but you can speak of any disaster. There's so much disaster happening in India in any case. Whether it is, having some kind of reforms in hospitals, in healthcare. Now we know our healthcare system is very weak. What can you do to improve healthcare? What can you do to improve education, literacy? What can you do to do something about child exploitation? So these kind of things you have to think about. Take up one small topic and do something about it. Even racism, religion, these are major issues in India. So how can you make a difference to change? So these are some of the inputs I'm giving you today. Now you have to think about it, explore what is your area of interest, and then find one goal in your life. With that, start off with a 1-minute video. You will send the video, you will register on Blubworld, send the video. After that, they will ask you to participate. Some of you will be chosen if they find that you really have the passion. Now, this is not a eloquence exercise, debate or drama, nothing like that. It's commitment. So you can start off with a commitment. Maybe if you in between you feel nahi too much hai, mujhse nahi hoga, doesn't matter. Leave it, you'll find something else. But at least give it a try. Maybe your path is there, maybe not. Unless you explore 8 paths, how will you know which one to take? If I keep sitting here, I will reach nowhere. But if there are 8 paths, I might go in one, come back, nahi theek nahi hai. 2, 3, 4, 6th one, oh, this is the road that I like. But I have to at least go on those 5 roads now. So this is what I'm asking you to do. Become thinking people. Do not, what all should we include in the video? In your video is just 1 minute of, when you see the video of the Blubworld, please watch the video. They're instructing you what to do. They're instructing you today, please watch the video which Radhika ma'am has sent you. They have given very clear instructions on what to do. In that 1-minute video, you have to show that you're committed. What is one goal you've taken up? What is your commitment going to be? And what do you think of your basic thought? It is nothing that you have to do so professionally that you get scared. It's a normal 1-minute video in which you project yourself as a committed person to making a change in the world. They also understand you're young. You don't know what kind of change you want to, make. But if you study these projects kind of thing, you will decide whether you want to take up literacy, you want to take up cleaning, you want to take up any social issue, you want to take up an awareness campaign, you want to take up a religion thing, you want to take up something about women, something about children, something about the examination system, something about anything that you find wrong with the world. So first you have to identify a problem. Then you have to give a solution. Now today the solution you give may not be the right solution. But as you go along, you study and you get more and more deep into it, you'll realize that you get the right solution. Then Third stage is motivating people to come with you, to form a team. Alone you cannot do anything. So depends on how motivating you are. And this is, by this time you would have grown a year or two. This is not a process which will take place in 10 days and you get a prize. No. So once you have grown a year or two in this, you will find that you're getting more and more committed. Please go to Google and see what work people are doing in Better India. They're very small projects, but making such a difference. Somebody's just training for sports. Somebody's just making sanitary pads. Somebody's, just making something out of nothing. So, best out of waste. So see where you can post topics with your name to avoid duplication. Radhika ma'am is telling you. That's also a good idea because everybody can't think of the same thing. Your teachers are there to now guide you. You're so lucky that at this point you have so many teachers willing to guide you. But guide you. Teachers will not put ideas in your head. That should come from the heart. Unless it comes from the heart, it's no use. Okay? So, think about it and register. Within 3 days of registration, you have to post the video. Though there is time. But another, word of advice I give you, that anything that you have to do, please do not, keep it in the last minute. The last date is 15 July. But 15th of June se pehle you must post your video, because then also depending on the likes and shares your video is getting is how you will be chosen. So if you post it today, you have 2 months to get likes and shares. If you post it on 15th of July, in one day, how many people can like and share? Now, when you post it today, ask your friends to like, share. Now, this also, this is the way you put social media to use in your favor. Otherwise, just putting your selfies, like and share is no good. Because all the people liking and sharing does not mean that they love you. But this is a way of coming into prominence. This is because once I'm only goading you to participate. After that, it's totally up to you. I do not want to goad you beyond that, because I do not believe in pushing people, to a point of achievement. You have to do your achievement. I am only there to lay out the table for you. Eating to aapne karna hai.
There was a question by Kavya. She was asking what all should be included in the video. So, though you've given a brief sketch, would you like to answer that?
Yeah, I've given you a brief sketch, and now watch the video that has been given to you. Usme he is explained also. In 1 minute, how much can you give? So it has to be very concise. One line introduction about yourself. I'm so-and-so from so-and-so place, school Ahmednagar. And then what is your passion? I cannot spell it out for you. So one you have to give is why you think there is a problem. What is your passion and how you can contribute to make India a better place, or even make Ahmednagar a better place, even make your locality a better place. You don't have to go to the world. So this you have to think. But the basic structure is just one sentence of introduction, then what you think is a big problem in this world and how you would like to correct it, and what is your passion.
Now, children, if I go on to, let's say, if I go on to this Blub World, I'll just share it for you. Children, just have a look. Can you see my screen?
Radhika?
Yes, ma'am.
I think you send it to them, because I do not want them to become parasites to this. Ki teacher dikhayegi, tab hum dekhenge. They should see it on their own. Get interested, discover it. Now, after this 1 minute video, somebody is asked where to post. First, you will post it to Radhika ma'am. Okay? She will see it. She can advise you on it so that you're ready to post a proper video on the site. And then the children who post the video on Radhika ma'am's WhatsApp group will form a group for the Blub World. So then we'll interact and we will guide you exactly what to do and through the whole process.
You also remember you can do it in Hindi also. So those who are open in Hindi, you can take a video in Hindi. Those who want to take up in English can give their 1 minute video.
Ma'am, I had a suggestion that you could give to the Blub World people.
Yes, Aisha.
I thought if we could do it like if they made committees for different causes like an MUN.
Yeah, very good idea. I'll suggest that to them. That's a very good idea, because otherwise it will become a bit hodgepodge. So that's a very good idea. They could make, committees of, once they see your videos and they see your areas of interest, probably then they will be able to group you together.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, that's a very good idea. See, I've got one idea. Dekha, pucha to aaya na? If we don't interact, if we don't talk about it, so how will ideas come? So once we form this group, I would encourage you to interact with each other also. Because you see, this is a group that is of thinking teenagers now. So when so many teenagers are thinking teenagers, they are going to brainstorm and come up with fantastic ideas. And you will come up with actually in ideas. We are out of, this whole thing because we are outdated. You are with the times. So when you discuss amongst yourselves, you will come up with more practical ideas. You know present society much better than we do because we are still living in the past. हमारे टाइम में ऐसा होता था, हमने ऐसा किया, खत्म हो गया ना. Now is your world.
We've got their queries here. Yeah. Thank you so much, ma'am, for coming, sparing out your time and clearing their queries. It is always a delight to hear you. And I'm sure the children will get motivated and do something nice to be the change that you want to see in the world, as is rightly said.